WD-40, the secret weapon every husband needs at home. Gentlemen, if there's one thing that can make your wife look at you like a superhero, it's this humble can right here, WD-40. Welcome back to Be Your Wife's Technician, where we turn everyday husbands into home heroes. Today, I'm diving deep into the magic of WD-40 multi-purpose product, what it is, why it works, and how you can use it to solve 99 problems around the house and even in your vehicle. Let's get started. What is WD-40 and why every husband should own it? WD-40 isn't just a spray, it's a household legend. Originally developed in 1953 by a team working to prevent rust on aerospace parts, WD-40 stands for Water Displacement 40th Formula. That's right, it took them 40 tries to get the perfect blend. This golden can has since become a go-to for mechanics, homeowners, DIYers, and yes, husbands who want to impress their wives with effortless fixes. Why use WD-40? At home, WD-40 is famous for its 5-in-1 power. It lubricates, protects metal from rust, loosens stuck parts, removes grime and adhesives, and drives out moisture. Imagine squeaky door hinges, stuck zippers, rusted bike chains, sticky locks, or even water-damaged electronics. WD-40 is the solution in a can. Your wife will wonder how you became such a home-fixing genius overnight. Common and uncommon uses around the house. Need to silence that annoying squeaky door every time your wife walks into the kitchen? Spray a little WD-40. Got sticky residue on a glass jar or label from a kitchen container? Wipe it off with WD-40. But wait, there's more. Did you know WD-40 can clean scuff marks off floors, protect garden tools, and even remove lipstick stains from fabric in some cases? Use it to free a stuck ring from your finger or to make stainless steel appliances shine. These are the kind of clever hacks that make you the MVP of the household. What's inside WD-40? Now let's break down the ingredients and the science. While the exact formula is a trade secret, we do know that WD-40 contains a mix of hydrocarbons, primarily alkanes and petroleum-based oils. These components work together to penetrate tight spaces, displace water, reduce friction, and create a protective layer over metal surfaces. The light mineral oil acts as a lubricant, while the aliphatic hydrocarbons act as solvents that clean and loosen grime. The result? A one-spray solution to many daily problems. The science behind WD-40's magic. Here's how it works. When you spray WD-40 on a rusted bolt, the solvent breaks down rust particles and seeps into microscopic cracks. The lubricant reduces friction, making it easier to turn, while the water-displacing action ensures it stays rust-free going forward. It forms a thin, invisible barrier that prevents oxygen and moisture from getting back in contact with the metal surface. This is the secret behind its long-lasting effect. Basically, you're giving metal a raincoat. How to use WD-40 at home and in your vehicle. Using WD-40 is as easy as shake, spray, wipe. Shake the can well. Aim the nozzle at the target area and spray lightly. Don't overdo it. Use the smart straw feature for tight spots like locks, chains, or hinges. After spraying, give it a few seconds to penetrate, then wipe with a clean cloth. You can apply it to sliding windows, drawer tracks, shower heads, fan blades, and even scissors or shears. On your personal vehicle, use WD-40 to loosen corroded bolts, clean battery terminals, silence windshield wipers, and protect wheel rims from brake dust. Got bugs stuck to your bumper after a long drive? Spray, wait, and wipe. WD-40 is also a great tool to keep motorcycle or bicycle chains in good working order. Just don't use it as a primary chain lubricant. It's more of a cleaner and moisture displacer. Pro tips for husbands. Always test on a small hidden area when using WD-40 on painted surfaces. Keep it out of reach of kids and away from open flames. It is flammable. After use, consider wiping down the area with a clean, dry cloth to prevent residue buildup. Common mistakes to avoid when using WD-40. Now, before you go spraying WD-40 like cologne, let's talk about what not to do. A lot of folks misuse this product, and that can lead to damage, mess, or worse. Angry looks from your wife. First, WD-40 is not a long-term lubricant. It's great for loosening stuck parts and cleaning off grime, but it's not designed to stay in place like proper grease or heavy-duty lubricants. For example, if you spray it on door hinges and expect it to last forever, it won't. Use it to loosen things up, then follow up with an actual lubricant if needed. Second, don't use WD-40 on electronics or circuit boards unless you're trained and know exactly what you're doing. It displaces moisture, yes, but it's still oil-based, and that can attract dust and cause overheating in sensitive areas. Third, avoid using WD-40 on plastic, polycarbonate, or rubber parts without checking first. Over time, the solvents can degrade or discolor certain materials, especially car dashboards, gaskets, or kitchen appliance trims. Always test on a small hidden spot before committing. Another common mistake? Using too much? A little goes a long way. Overspraying leads to drips, mess, and an oily smell that your wife might not love. Use short, controlled bursts and wipe off any excess. So, the next time your wife complains about a squeaky door or a sticky cabinet, don't call a handyman. Reach for your can of WD-40. It's not just a lubricant, it's a relationship tool. Use it wisely and watch how your small acts of problem solving make a big impression at home. Trust me, when you start fixing things she didn't even know were broken, you'll be more than a husband. You'll be her hero. If this video helped you level up your husband game, then do me a favor, smash that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you're enjoying the content, and it helps this video reach more amazing husbands just like you. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to the Be Your Wife's Technician family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a trick, tip, or hack that could win you serious points at home. We've got videos coming every week to help you fix, improve, and impress, all without calling a handyman. Have your own cool WD-40 hack, or did something go hilariously wrong when you tried it? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and your idea might even get featured in a future video. And finally, share this video with a fellow husband, boyfriend, or even your dad, because being handy at home is a superpower every man should have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sharp, stay smooth, and always be your wife's technician.